Welcome back to another video. Today we got another email from Harbor Freight. We got 12 tools of Christmas. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more Turbios to deals. Yeah, we got pretty much great deals on here. We got 12 tools of Christmas, 20% off. Says valid Tuesday, December 24th. You got a free swivel lens headlamp here. So just remember these are only through December 24th. This is what they have. This is the deals that they have going on. This is your choice. It says only $5 with the purchase of $49.99. So all these are $5. If you have to have more than $49.99 or $50 basically to get this deal. There's been a lot of people that say that you could buy multiple of these items with one $50 purchase. Then again, I'm not sure if that's possible with these coupons, but you know, if you want to try it out, feel free to try it out. And but yeah, they do have a lot of new items here. These are kind of like the older items. This is definitely a great value here. The new ones, the 4 bolts lithium cordless 1/4 screwdriver kit, $5. That's not a bad deal. As a matter of fact, I want to get one of those. These are new items too. The click type torque wrench and the 51-piece socket set for $5. New item here. Another new item is the swivel tilt TV wall mounts and ammo can. Okay, so those are the new ones. Feel free to take a screenshot or a picture on the computer and use these coupons. Same thing with these. All right, and looks like we got some plus with super coupons. $6.99. Jump starter, yes, it's not the lowest. We've seen it. Yeah, I guess it's a good price, but yeah, we've seen it lower at $64.99 at the parking lot sales. This is a great item there. Great chuck. Let's see here. Electric impact wrench. Always been $19.99. Always been $6.99. Let's see here. This is a great deal here. These are great sockets, by the way. We got a 5-gallon wet and dry vacuum. The new ones have arrived, and they're not so much expensive than this. So I would definitely get the Bauer. They're just trying to get rid of these. 100 feet. Yeah, extension cords are really a good thing from Harbor Freight. I have mine, have no complaints. All right, guys, that's it for today. Just want to make a quick video, let you guys know the tools, the 5 tools for Christmas, or the whatever that they have. The $5 tools for Christmas. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.